Pronouns Power-Up, Personalizing English Learning. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a vital part of English grammar, personal pronouns. It might sound like a tough topic, but no worries, I'm here to simplify it for you. We will be focusing on replacing nouns with appropriate personal pronouns. This is a great way to diversify your language and make it more personal and engaging. Personal pronouns are simple and commonly used words in English. They are words that replace nouns in sentences, making the sentence more efficient and less repetitive. The primary personal pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's look at why we use personal pronouns. Imagine you have a friend named Bob. Instead of always saying, Bob, when you talk about him, it's much easier to use he after you've mentioned his name once. It's quicker and avoids unnecessary repetition. That's the power of personal pronouns. Here's where the real fun begins. Let's look at some examples and practice replacing nouns with personal pronouns. Sentence: Maria is eating. Maria is happy. With pronoun: Maria is eating. She is happy. In the above example, we replaced the second mention of Maria with the pronoun she. To get the hang of this, let's practice together. I'll provide a sentence, and you try to replace the noun with a personal pronoun. 1. John is reading. John likes books. 2. The dogs are playing. The dogs look happy. 3. We are studying. We have a test tomorrow. 4. My sister is cooking. My sister is a great cook. Now let's check the answers. 1. John is reading. He likes books. 2. The dogs are playing. They look happy. 3. We are studying. We have a test tomorrow. 4. My sister is cooking. She is a great cook. And there we have it. That was a brief overview and practice of personal pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep using these pronouns in your daily conversation. Soon, it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and happy learning.